Hi everyone! Today, we are inviting a friend to join the Akwaaba app using a referral link. Let's get right into it. First of all, log into your account on Akwaaba app. Next, go to the Profile tab and select Referrals under the Referrals or Rewards category. Here, you'll find your unique referral code and a shareable referral link. Now, tap on the Invite Friends button to choose what medium to invite your friends on. You can share the link via social media, email, or messaging apps. I will share it through WhatsApp. So, I select my friend's contact. The link comes with a personalized message inviting my friend to join the Akwaaba app. Then, I go ahead to press the Send button. And voila! I have invited my friend to join the app. Easy, right? You earn points for inviting a friend, and your friend earns points for signing up using your invite. These points can be used to bag amazing rewards on the app. Start inviting your friends today and enjoy the benefits on the Akwaaba app.